leave this table here. But of course, they have different values in them. Are we going to question 14 yet?
Yeah, we'll just do that one, and then we'll be probably have no time for anything else.
We could do another one if you want. I'm not doing anything, and because we had a bit difficulty with my calculator, I feel bad. So I want to finish up for. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a walk before chemistry. Do you have chemistry today? Wowzers. Okay, -2.
Do both of them together.
-1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that right? Did I get them right?
-2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Okay, and is this the equation? Y equals, is it 2x squared? It's a bit fuzzy.
Yep.
2x squared minus 4x
minus 6.
Minus 6. Okay, cool. And so let's just put that into the calculator. I'm just going to do an example. Y equals 2 times -2 squared minus 4 times -2. Have you found it's harder, like you've got more work being online or less work being online?
It's more confusing. It's less productive it's less focused.
Mm.
When you have issues, it's annoying to find the answers. It's not always straight lined.
Do the teachers have good what's it called? Like ways to check in on you and like stuff?
Sort of. You just have to submit your work.
Yeah.
Online, and that's annoying because you have to take photos and then upload bloody photos. Because you have to take photos on your phone, plug your phone into your computer, or
transfer them.
Yeah. What
did you get for -2? Or have you done it yet?
I put 2 out front of the brackets instead of inside the brackets. Should I put it inside the brackets?
Let me see if it makes a difference. I don't think it should make a difference.
I got 18.
18. When I put it at the front, I still got -6. Do you want to check the answers? Maybe my calculator has stuffed up again.
Yeah, I got syntax error when I put it out the front. So.
You got -6?
No, I got syntax error when I put it out the front. Oh, what does it say? It says it's 10 for some reason.
For the answers?
Yeah, it says it's 10.
10. I'm not too quite sure why they've...
I haven't got that either.
Done that. 2
times -2 is...
Yeah, my calculator. 2.
Because the calculator doesn't follow what's it called? Laws of
Yeah.
Like it doesn't times the 2's before inside the brackets, then outside, then before squaring it. 2 times -2 is -4. -4 squared is...
I got 10 if I didn't do -2 here.
-4 squared is 16. -2 squared is 4. Then 4 minus 4. 4 minus 8.
8 minus 4 times 2 is -8 minus
6.
8 minus 8 minus 6 equals 10. Yep, 10. Let's go with 10.
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay, eraser. And let's
For some reason the calculator is dumb.
Yeah, the calculator is frustrating now that it's not doing... yeah, because it doesn't follow when you do... So 1 squared times 2...
Index laws.
Yeah, index laws. That's the right.
Yeah. Bloody calcs.
24.
2 times minus 1.
If you have to do your parabola in a test, just double check by doing it in your head, like you're doing now. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
What did you get for that one?
2 times minus 2. Or is it 2 times minus 1? Is... What'd you get in there? Minus 1.
Negative 1. Because 2 times 1 is... Oh, 2.
2 times minus
2.
Negative 2 squared
Yeah.
is 4.
Yeah.
And then what was the other bit? 4.
1 squared times 2 is 2. 1 time.
What does it get? It gets 0.
2 times 4.
Calculator gets 0 for some reason.
Yes. Okay, let's go with that.
Yeah.
Then what do we have? 0. 0, 0. 2 times 0.
It's minus 6 probably.
It's obviously 0. 4 times. It's obviously 0. Minus 6. Yeah.
But for some reason it gets... Wait. No, it gets minus 6. That's good.
Wait.
Yay.
Sweet. Okay.
1. 2 times 0. 2 times 1 is 2.
Will it just be 0 again?
I don't know. 2 times 1 is 2 squared. It's 4. 4 times 1 is minus 4 minus 6.
It won't be.
Is it 0? What will it be? It's
Negative 8.
yeah, that's what they get.
Negative 8. 2 minus 4 minus 6. Cool. Whoops, I just erased a line. That's fine. 2 times 2, 2 times 2. That's 8 minus 6 minus 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 minus 6. You agree with negative 6?
Yeah.
Cool. Now let's put it in for 3. 2 times 3 squared. 18 minus 12 minus 6. Do you agree with 0?
They got, yes, 0.
Cool. And let me know when you've done 4.
I got 10.
4 squared times 2. What are 4 fours? 4 fours are 16, are they? Minus 6. 32 minus 16 minus 6 is 10. Lovely, lovely work. Okay, let's erase that. So this one's going to be different to the one we just did before. How fun.
It's going to be a positive one, I think. Sorry, I lost.
Okay, so we got to have
Minus 8 somewhere.
x.
So we can go 2s. We can do 2s.
You reckon?
Yeah, we can do 2s.
For both x and y?
No, we can go. Yeah, we can. No, the other one we have to do 1s.
Oh yeah, duh. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2. So how many? I need to go down to 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. My lines are absolutely horrible. Look at them.
Okay. Mm.
Negative 2
Oh,
on the
yeah.
x-axis gives me y as 10. There we go. Negative 1 on the x-axis gives me y as 0. Then 6, 2, 4, 6. And then 1 as 8. Then 2 as 6. 3 as 0. And 4 as 10. Oh, this is a steep one.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, did you get something like that? Oh, your next couple of questions, question 15 and 16, says graphing technology.
I hate graphing technology.
Well, 15 says use graphing technology, and 16 says use graphing technology or table values. Is this work that you have to upload?
Yeah.
Mm.
Negative 4. What was it? 2,
Do you have to do all of question 16?
6, negative 8. Negative 10. Yep. It was positive. It was 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. All of 16.
You do?
Nah, I don't know.
Because that's a lot of graphs. Oh, it's only 6 graphs, but still, that's a lot of graphs.
Yeah, I don't even. How many? I have to go check what exactly they want.
Okay, and then it says, what is the minimum value?
Okay.
Oops. So what would the minimum value be for this?
I'm trying to go back and look and see what they want. No, they want.
We'll probably have time to do it.
They want.
17.
They want 13, 16, and 18. 13, 16, 17, and 18.
Oh, so this one's just for fun.
So they don't need. What was the really long one?
16.
16. Yeah, stuff 16. They can go heck off.
We can get a bit done of 17. In this, we'll have like 5 minutes.
Oh, we don't even need to do 14. I don't know if I'll have time. I still haven't drawn that graph. I can draw that graph. So what was the last one? Minus 2.
So do you get? Sorry if I'm disrupting you, but do you get the minimum and maximum values? Do you get what they are?
Yeah, I do. Why is it? Oh yeah, right. Minus 2, 10. Okay, cool.
So minimum for this graph. Minimum for this graph would be
Okay.
y equal. Oh, I'm just going to do it like this.
The minimum. So what are my questions?
Question says, what's the minimum value of the quadratic relationship?
The lowest minimum value. Is it negative 8?
Yeah, -8. And then the x value that gives that value?
It is 1.
Yeah. So you can read it off the graph or the table of values.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah. This one here. Ah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Honestly, we're probably just gonna have to finish now because I've got to go. It's not a big deal if I don't do all the questions. Like,
okay.
In class, I never they said a lot of like stuff in class, but
Yeah.
I only do enough so I can understand it myself.
Yeah.
Like, I don't do all the repetition if they set heaps because
Well,
otherwise I probably won't finish. I do what I can in that lesson.
Well, 17a just asks how many x-intercepts does each parabola have? And so that's pretty easy.
Yeah.
It's just 2. Do you get that? 2?
Yeah.
1 there and 1 there. Just wherever it crosses the x-axis. And so parabolas have 2. Yeah.
Yeah. What is it, the y and the x-intercept?
Yeah. So x-intercepts is just where it crosses the x-axis, which is there and there.